Every day, a sea of decisions stretches before us. Some are small and unimportant, but others have a larger impact on our lives. For example, which politician should I vote for? Should I try the latest diet craze? Or will email make me a millionaire? We're bombarded with so many decisions that it's impossible to make a perfect choice every time. But there are many ways to improve our chances, and one particularly effective technique is critical thinking. This is a way of approaching a question that allows us to carefully deconstruct a situation, reveal its hidden issues, such as bias and manipulation, and make the best decision. If the critical part sounds negative, that's because, in a way, it is. Rather than choosing an answer because it feels right, a person who uses critical thinking subjects all available options to scrutiny and skepticism. Using the tools at their disposal, they'll eliminate everything but the most useful and reliable information. There are many different ways of approaching critical thinking, but here's one 5-step process that may help you solve any number of problems. 1. Formulate your question. In other words, know what you're looking for. This isn't always as straightforward as it sounds. For example, if you're deciding whether to try out the newest diet craze, your reasons for doing so may be obscured by other factors, like claims that you'll see results in just 2 weeks. But if you approach the situation with a clear view of what you're actually trying to accomplish by dieting, whether that's weight loss, better nutrition, or having more energy, that'll equip you to sift through this information critically, find what you're looking for, and decide whether the new fad really suits your needs. 2. Gather your information. There's lots of it out there, so having a clear idea of your question will help you determine what's relevant. If you're trying to decide on a diet to improve your nutrition, you may ask an expert for their advice, or seek other people's testimonies. Information gathering helps you weigh different options, moving you closer to a decision that meets your goal. 3. Apply the information, something you do by asking critical questions. Facing a decision, ask yourself, what concepts are at work? What assumptions exist? Is my interpretation of the information logically sound? For example, in an email that promises you millions, you should consider, what is shaping my approach to this situation? Do I assume the sender is telling the truth? Based on the evidence, is it logical to assume I'll win any money? 4. Consider the implications. Imagine it's election time, and you've selected a political candidate based on their promise to make it cheaper for drivers to fill up on gas. At first glance, that seems great. But what about the long-term environmental effects? If gasoline use is less restricted by cost, this could also cause a huge surge in air pollution, an unintended consequence that's important to think about. 5. Explore other points of view. Ask yourself why so many people are drawn to the policies of the opposing political candidate. Even if you disagree with everything that candidate says, exploring the full spectrum of viewpoints might explain why some policies that don't seem valid to you appeal to others. This will allow you to explore alternatives, evaluate your own choices, and ultimately help you make more informed decisions. This 5-step process is just one tool, and it certainly won't eradicate difficult decisions from our lives, but it can help us increase the number of positive choices we make. Critical thinking can give us the tools to sift through a sea of information and find what we're looking for. And if enough of us use it, it has the power to make the world a more reasonable place.
Hello class 5, how are you all? First of all, good morning to all of you. So, enjoying the video? Before starting the class, I have shown you one video. Why? Because first of all, you know what is thinking. Okay, whatever it is about the numbers, the plants, animals, we have to think about them. So what is thinking? Critical thinking. What is the analysis of the thinking? 5 points you have seen in the video. So first, before thinking anything, we have to make up the mind before we get the proper result. हम उसको कैसे सोचें कि हम उसका एक प्रॉपर रिजल्ट लेकर आएँ. सो बिफोर going through any kind of work, we have to think about that is called as critical thinking. So your new unit, our new chapters we are going to start. So our new unit is thinking and number skills. Okay, students. So hope you enjoyed the video. You liked the video. Okay, and do your work with me. Take out your books and start doing your work. Don't let it your work pending. Okay, last class we have completed that computer quiz, science है ना, exploring science, our organs, milestone is space exploration and computer thinking. We have already completed this topic. Now we are going to start thinking and number skill, chapter number 20, page number 26, the number 5. We have to think about this number. Thinking, we have to think the number 5 कैसे कर सकते हैं. What are the some interesting information is given in this chapter about number 5. So let's start the interesting facts related to number 5. Students, please listen carefully the video. So with the help of this video and your book, you are able to understand the chapter. Okay, so let's start class 5. Take interest. First, we have 5 fingers on each our hands and 5 toes on each our feet. Okay, this is an interesting fact. 5 fingers in our hands and 5 toes on each of our feet. One interesting fact is there. Second, in Roman numerals, the number 5 is written as V. Okay, see, V as written as V. 5 is the third prime number after 2 and 3. Okay, 5 is the third prime number after 2 and 3. Okay, prime number means it doesn't divisible by another. ठीक है, जो अपने ही टेबल में आता हो, अदर से डिविजिबल नहीं होता हो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही हो. जैसे 2 1 जा 2, 2 अब किसी और टेबल में नहीं आता. 3 1 जा 3, 3 किसी टेबल में नहीं आता. Like that 5 is also here कि वो किसी और में नंबर नहीं आता. 5 are the third prime number after 2 and 3. There are 5 oceans on the earth. We all know that the 5 oceans are there on the earth. The symbol in the flag of Olympic Games is made up of 5 rings representing the 5 continents of the world. Okay, the 5 in Olympic Games you have seen the flag. It has 5 rings which representing the 5 continents of the world. In Mahabharata, the Pandavas are 5 brothers. It is one of the interesting fact, mythological interesting fact. In Pandavas are also 5 brothers. The 5 KS are traditionally worn by the 6. These are Kesh, long hair, Kangha, a comb, Kirpan, a sword, Kacha, a short trouser, and a Kara, a steel bracelet. So it is one of the interesting fact about 6 that 5 Ks are traditionally worn by the 6. They are Kesh, long hair, Kangha, Kripan, Kacha and Kara. Okay, these are the 5 Ks. And basketball is played between 2 teams of 5 players each. Basketball is a game which is played by the two team, and in each team 5 players are there. These all are the interesting facts about 5. The 5 great elements of Hinduism are earth, water, fire, air and space. These are the 5 great elements of Hinduism. 5 तत्व बोलते हैं हिंदी में इसको. Okay, earth, water, fire, air and space. Okay students, there are 5 vowels in English alphabet also. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O and U. There are 5 alphabets in English vowels. The famous 5 and 5 find outers are 2 series of books written by Adam Blyton. It was a famous book. Famous 5 and 5 find outers are the 2 series of the books. Famous book is which is written by Andy Blyton. Okay, this is one of the interesting facts. And Panchforan is a traditional mixture of 5 spices used in traditional Indian cuisines. जो मसाले होते हैं Panchforan, you have listen in your home. अपनी मम्मा से पूछना, मम्मा what is Panchforan, what you used, कौन कौन से मसाले आप यूज़ करते हो उस Panchforan में. So these are the interesting facts related to 5. Okay students, hope you all enjoyed this chapter number 20, the number of 5. Once after completion of video, I want that every student has to read this chapter by their own self. Okay, students? Then the number 5. Now we are going to start our second chapter. Okay, now we are going to start our second chapter of the same unit, chapter number 21, mental mathematics. Page number 27, mental mathematics, page number 27. Now solve these problems. You have to solve these problems by your own, but I am helping you. First one, how many days are there in 2 weeks? 2 हफ्ते होते हैं. In 1 week there are 7 days. So 7 into 2, 14. 14 is the correct answer. There are 14 days in 2 weeks. Okay. Second, how many wheels are there in 9 bicycles? How many wheels are there? 18. एक बाईसाइकिल में 2 व्हील्स होते हैं, तो 9 into 2, 2 9 जा 18, 9 2 जा 18. 18 is the correct answer. How many half hours make a day? कितने half hours एक पूरा डे बनाते हैं? So in a day 24 hours है there, 24 half पूरा एक full 1 hour को हम लोग बोलते हैं 1 hour में कितने half hours होते हैं? 2. So there is 48 half hours. In 1 hour you have seen 2 half hours are there. So 24 into 2, 48. Now fourth one, in 8,000 what is the place value of 8? In 8,000 place value you have learned ones, tens, 100,000. So the place value of 8 is 1000. Fifth one, if you add all the dots on a dice except 3, what the number will you get? Okay, ये करके देखना. And the correct answer is 18. Sorry, the correct answer is 18. Sixth one, how many quarters are there in an hour? 4 quarters are there. Okay, in an hour 4 quarters are there. 4 quarter means 15. जब हम लोग बोलते हैं ना मैम there is the 1:15, timing is 1:15. So these are the quarters, 15, 15, 15, 15. So 4 quarters are there in 1 hour. Seventh one, how many times does I appear when you write 18 in Roman numericals? 3 times. Okay. जब तुम रोमन नंबर में 18 लिखोगे तो वो जो आई रहता है 1, वो कितने टाइम्स आता है? तो इट विल बी ऑफ 3 टाइम्स. स्टूडेंट्स डू write 18 in Roman numbers. You are going to easily understand how many times does this 1 or I will appear in Roman number 18 if you write the 18 in Roman numbers. Okay, now 8th one, is the number 350 odd or even? 350 is odd or even? 3 is generally odd, 5 is generally odd, so we think that is odd. No, it is even. Okay. 9, how many even numbers are there between 1 and 10? 4 even numbers are there. 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the 4 even numbers which is among between 1 and 10. 10th one, what number would you get if you add 3 times 3 and minus 3 from that? 3 times 3 and minus 3 from that? 6. 3, 3, 3, 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, 6. So the correct answer is 6. Okay, I am going to repeat this once again. Listen carefully. Okay, students. First one, how many days are there in 2 weeks? 14. Second, how many wheels are there in 9 bicycles? 18. Third, how many half hours make a day? 48. Fourth, in 8,000, what is the place value of 8,000? Fifth, if you add all the dots on a dice except 3, what number you will get? 18. 6, how many quarters are there in an hour? 4. 7, how many times does I appear when you write 18 in Roman numerals? 3. 8, is the number 350 odd or even? Even. 9th, how many even numbers are there between 1 and 10? 4. 10, what number would you get it you add 3 times 3 and minus 3 from that? 6. Okay, do it in your book. Okay, students. So we have completed the chapter number 21, mental mathematics, page number 21. Hope you all do it in your book. Students, please complete your work. Now chapter number 22, think logically. Chapter number 22, think logically. You have to think logically and write the answers. I have already written the answer in the side, after the question mark. See the video carefully. The answers are written and you have to write this one in your copy. Students, listen. This page number 22, think logically, chapter number 22, think logically, page number 28. You have to write in your copy. This chapter you have to write in your copy. This is your homework. In the next class, I am going to definitely ask you the things whether you have done or not. And every student must write, yes ma'am, we have done our work. Okay. Please don't ignore these things. You have to complete your work, student. This is your homework. You have to write in your GK copy. Now start. Answer this question first. That what occurs twice in the morning, at the start of every night, in the middle of a month, but never in summer nor in a day. What occurs twice in the morning? You have to think logically. Okay. The correct answer is the letter N. You will ask how? See the word morning, morning, twice, and the letter N is twice. At start every night, night, the starting word of letter of the word night is N, and in the middle of the month, and in the middle of the month, 2 letters before and 2 letters after. In the middle, N is there in the word month, but in summer or a day, there is no letter N. So the correct answer is the letter N. Okay, students, like this you have to think logically about all the questions. Now second, if eraser is called paper, paper is called pencil, pencil is called sharpener. ठीक है, इरेजर को पेपर बोलते हैं, पेपर को पेंसिल बोलते हैं, पेंसिल को शार्पनर बोलते हैं. And the sharpener is called water bottle, and the sharpener is called water bottle. What will you write with? तुम किससे लिखोगे? अगर हम इरेजर पेपर को बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है, इरेजर इज कॉल्ड पेपर, पेपर इज कॉल्ड पेंसिल, एंड पेंसिल इज कॉल्ड शार्पनर, एंड शार्पनर इज कॉल्ड वाटर बॉटल. व्हाट विल यू राइट विथ? तुम किससे लिखोगे? शार्पनर, बिकॉज पेंसिल इज कॉल्ड sharpeners. You will write with sharpeners. Okay, students? Now third, a watch reads 4:30 if the minute hands points east. In what direction is the hour hands point? North east direction. करके देखो इसको एक बार, अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगा. The correct answer is north east direction. Fourth one, Bonnie has a pet dog. Amita loves pets. Ronnie hates dogs. If all B3 statements are false, who logically has a pet dog? Bonnie has a pet dog. Okay. Amita loves pets. Ronnie hates dogs. If all the 3 statements are false, who logically has a pet dog? So the correct answer is Bonnie, because Amita loves and Ronnie hates dog. And Bonnie already has a pet dog. So the correct answer is Bonnie. Bonnie has a pet dog. Now fifth one, at a book launch, a man walked up to the author and said, I have a book that has every word of your book written in it, and most people here do too. The author had the copyright to his book. Then how did this happen? कैसे हुआ ये? क्योंकि एक ऑथर का ये ऑनर होता है, ये हक होता है कि वो अपने बुक का कॉपीराइट अपने पास रखे, वो किसी और को नहीं दे सकता, उसकी बुक कोई और लॉन्च नहीं कर सकता. बट एक आदमी आ रहा है, वो बोल रहा है कि मेरे पास ऐसा बुक है जिसमें सारे वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं जो आपकी बुक में रिटन है. सो हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल? सो दिस इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज he had a dictionary, because dictionary is a book where every word is written. Okay, so the correct answer is he had a dictionary. The man has a dictionary. Okay. Now sixth one, Raj was making lunch when his friend Ravi arrived unexpectedly with his 2 kids. ठीक है, राज एक लड़का है, वो घर में खाना बना रहा था, उसका फ्रेंड आ गया अपने 2 बच्चों के साथ बिना बताए. While the kids played outside in the garden and ate grasses. But the kids were playing in the garden and ate the grasses. How this is possible? The man saw this but did not stop them. Why? क्यों ऐसा हुआ? वो आदमी देखा बट उनको रोका नहीं, वो घास खा रहे थे. Because the kids were baby goats. You can think logically and you give the answers. The thing was the baby, the kids were the baby goats. Okay? 7th, if a human being has 10,96,173 strands of hair approximately, ठीक है, approximately not correctly, and there were 2 lakh people in a city. एक आदमी के पास इतने सारे बाल हैं approximately, but and there are 2 lakh people in a city. What is the product of the total strands of hair? So what is the product of the total head strands? 0. Why? Think logically. You have to give the logically answer. अब तुम एक एक के बाल तो गिनने बैठोगे नहीं, है कि नहीं? एक एक के बाल तो हम गिन नहीं सकते. So what is the correct answer? 0. Because there will be definitely be at least one blade man. एक गंजा आदमी होगा blade man. So there is no hairs. 0. 0 को किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, it will be 0. 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 2, 0 into 10 lakh, 96,173, it will be 0. So you have to think logically and give your answer. So the correct answer is 0. Okay, students? Now, 8th, pointing to a man, Rima said, he is the only brother of the only daughter of his wife of my husband. How is the man related to Rima? इसका भी लॉजिकली तुमको देना है. एक आदमी वहाँ पे खड़ा था, रीमा बोल रही है ही इज़ द ओनली ब्रदर ऑफ द ओनली डॉटर ऑफ द वाइफ ऑफ माई हस्बैंड. मेरे हस्बैंड का वो इकलौता ब्रदर है ऑफ द ओनली डॉटर ऑफ द ओनली वाइफ ऑफ अ हस्बैंड. ही इज़ द मैन रिलेटेड. हाउ इज़ द मैन रिलेटेड टू रीमा? रीमा उसका, रीमा, he is the Rima sons. The man is the Rima sons. How? I am explaining you. Rima said of my husband. Husband मतलब रीमा का पति, husband, and his wife रीमा itself, of the daughter रीमा की बेटी, and रीमा की बेटी का वो भाई है. So रीमा की बेटी का भाई रीमा का क्या हुआ? Son. So he is the son of रीमा. Of the husband रीमा के husband की wife रीमा itself, daughter of the रीमा and the husband of his husband. So he is the son of the रीमा. ओके, थिंक इट, कोशिश करके देखो, समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल enjoying this thinking and number skills. Again I am repeating chapter number 22, page number 28. Listen. What occurs twice in the morning, at the start of every night, in the middle of a month, but never in the summer nor in a day? The letter N, the correct answer. Second, if eraser is called paper, paper is called pencil, pencil is called sharpener, and sharpener is called water bottle, what will you write with? Sharpener. Correct answer is sharpener. Third, a watch reads 4:30. If the minute hand points east, in the what direction is the hour hand points? Answer is north-east direction. Fourth, Bonnie has a pet dog. Amita loves pets. Ronnie hates dogs. If all the three statements are for, who logically has a pet dog? Bonnie is the correct answer. Fifth, at a book launch, a man walked up to the author and said, I have a book that was every word of your book written in it. The most people here do too. The author had the copyright to his book. Then how this happens? So he had the dictionary. Okay. Raj was making lunch when his friend Ravi arrived unexpectedly with his two kids. Soon the men were sitting in the kitchen having lunch while the kids play outside in the garden and ate grasses. The men saw this but did not stop them. Why? Because the kids were baby goats. Seventh, if a human being has 10,96,173 strands of hair approximately, and there are two people in a city, what is the product of the total strength of the hair? Is 0. Now, 8th, pointing at a man, Rima said he is the only brother of the only daughter of the wife of my husband. How is the man related to Rima? So, the correct answer is the man was Rima's son. Okay, students, hope you will all enjoyed the class. thinking and number skills. Students, write all the answer in your book along with me, and this chapter number 22, think logically, page number 28 is your homework. You have to write this in your copy. Okay students, and if you have any doubt, ask me and kindly give your attendance. Hope you all enjoying the class. Be safe in your home, stay in your home, and now we will start in the next class. We will start our next unit. Till then, be safe in your home. Thank you students. Take care.